Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to see how AI can build your next presentation in minutes? Let's dive in together. First, click the Create button to begin. Next, choose Presentation from the available options. After that, navigate to the toolbar and select Elements to access a variety of graphics and shapes. These steps will help you quickly start building and customizing your presentation's visual content. To start, click the Generate button to open the prompt box. In the text field, type a clear description of what you want the system to create. For example, you can enter, "Give me 5 famous animals." Make sure your request is specific so the results match what you're looking for. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate again to see your results displayed instantly based on your description. These are the images available in your project. You can view, organize, or edit them as needed. Use the toolbar above to add new images, delete existing ones, or make adjustments to your current selection quickly and efficiently. To add text, select the Text tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on the canvas to create a new text box. Type 5 famous animals into the text field. Next, position the text box where you want it on your design. To adjust the size, click and drag the corners of the text box until it reaches your preferred dimensions. You can also use the Options panel to change the font style, color, or alignment for a customized look. Let's generate a list of 5 extinct animals. First, open your web browser and go to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type 5 extinct animals and press enter. Browse through the results to find a credible source, such as a wildlife or educational website. Click on the link to view the information. Take note of the extinct animals listed, like the dodo, woolly mammoth, saber-toothed tiger, passenger pigeon, and the great auk. Use this information for your project or research as needed. To copy and paste in GTA, first highlight the text or command you want to use. Next, right-click and select Copy, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then, go to the location where you want to paste the text, right-click again, and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V. If needed, you can use another method, but these steps are the most common and reliable for copying and pasting in GTA. Click the Use This Image button to select and apply this image to your project. Add a transition and set its color to white. Next, adjust the duration as needed. If you want another transition, add it now. These steps help create smooth visual changes between your video clips. To add a background theme with color, first open your project and navigate to the Design settings. Locate the Background section, then select the Theme option. Choose a color from the palette or enter a custom hex code to match your preference. Once you've selected your color, apply the changes. Your background will now display the new theme color, giving your project a fresh, customized look. To add more content, insert another slide or type your definitions here. Once your slides are ready, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Choose Download from the drop-down menu. Select PDF Standard or PDF Print, depending on your needs. This will save your presentation as a PDF file to your computer for easy sharing or printing. Now you can whip up AI-generated presentations in Canva with ease. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.